how to convert PDF to a PowerPoint presentation. So if you want to convert PDF to a PowerPoint presentation, then what you need to do is you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for sejda.com and hit the enter. Once you're here, you will have this kind of interface where you can either log into your account if you have your account, or you can simply go for edit a PDF document. Now, once you're on this page, you just need to scroll down. And if you scroll down here, you will have a bunch of options. Convert for PDF option. So you just need to go for this option. And here, you need to go for PDF to PPT, which is convert PDF to PowerPoint. Click on this option. Once you click on that option here, it will take you to PDF to PPT converter, where you need to go for upload PDF files. And you can upload your files from your desktop and then go for open. And once you've inserted that, your task will be processing, and after some time it will convert your PDF to a PowerPoint presentation. So if you have a long PDF, like if you have that of 30 to 40 pages, then it might take some time. And once it converts, then you will have download option. You can simply click on download and you can download the presentation. So here you will have this kind of interface where after the conversion, you will have download option. You can simply click on download and you can download it. So that's how you can convert your PDF to a PowerPoint presentation. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.